वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा देवी सरस्वती भवानी देवी सरस्वती भवानी.
A very good morning to all the distinguished delegates. Honorable Minister, with whose presence we are blessed today, the third World Petro, which is a unique Congress in the sense that it combines and tries to synthesize the gains from the petroleum as well as the coal industry in India, which are two major fuels of any energy sector.
The area of energy to power the new industrial revolution is something that we can no longer afford to postpone or continue to talk about. And I believe that this conference over the next 3 days will set that platform to enable us that the deliberations that come from here will be used by the decision makers in government, particularly the regulators, by the business community, industrialists, and as well as the academia. And I think it's very important that this conference, as it brings all of these spheres together to deliberate and look at how will we make this planet.
I would like to congratulate the recipients of Energy and Environment Foundation Global Excellency Award 2013. With these words, I declare the Congress open and wish all the participants good luck and look forward to fruitful discussions, a way forward in terms of concrete recommendations to the government.
For bringing the hydrocarbon sector and carbon sector together under one roof. I always wondered that why these two important sectors, which constitute almost 73% of energy supplies, of the energy basket, why we always work in silos. And it's a very, very pleasant thing to see that the hydrocarbon sector and carbon sector, the eminent people are sitting today under the same roof. And that gives a very holistic picture of the energy.
And as a result of that, I have a number of companies, car companies, BMW, Toyota, Nissan, Daimler, Ford, but to cite a few, including very large infrastructure providers like Gaz de France in France, of course, Shell, Vattenfall, a utility in Northern Europe and Germany, and also others on how to actually deploy grid-scale storage in the grid using hydrogen. Or indeed, as was announced late last year, Wahes Indian Oil also made some announcements in the direction of looking at hydrogen. Well, the secret really is energy diversity is energy security.
I'm very honored as the Secretary General of the Energy Charter to be here in New Delhi for this important Congress. India is not a member of our Energy Charter family yet, and I hope that after my visit we will be able to continue to the efforts started by my predecessor, Ambassador Mirnia, and some other colleagues.
Energy demand certainly happens in a developing economy. I mean, focus is moving away from OECD to emerging economy like China, India, Middle East, etc., etc. It's quite obvious that energy security is an issue for these emerging economies, or Asia. So how can Asian countries work together is the key.
The evolution of thought recognizes an urgent need for a broad energy mix to fuel the growth that future generations require for their well-being, while safeguarding a stable natural environment for for those very same future generations. So what is this broad energy mix? To begin with, coal, oil, and natural gas, valuable fuels that gave us growth over the last 150 years, will continue to be used. Even in the carbon-constrained world toward which we are heading, demand for these fuels will continue to grow, while advancing technologies will facilitate reduced environmental impact.
The content was world-class, and I'm sure that each one of the delegates has learnt and will go back with far more better appreciation and knowledge of the problems that we face in the energy sector. The various resolutions that have been adopted and which was read out by Dr. N. Saxena are perhaps a kind of a overall view that is required to be put forward and which the governments need to really seriously and carefully look at. Going back to the issue,
they will take this torch for next 40 and more years. Thank you very much. We have to thank our sponsors. Gold sponsor is Linthocol from South Africa. I have to thank particularly Kakadima and Renita for their trust in World Petrocoal Congress and me particularly. Thank you very much. We have to thank silver sponsors, Oil India, Coal India, Tata Steel, GAIL. Our associate sponsors, Indian Oil Corporation, EIL, Petronet LNG, ACB, Jindal Power, Steel and Power, GE and Jeremy. We have to thank our associates and knowledge partner, EMPI.